Say "aw," boss. Once I get the gunk from your tongue like you wanted and mix it with toe jam, a music box, grapes, because I like grapes, and the stuff growing in the back of the fridge, it will create an awful sickness to infect the Smighties with.
And it shall be named the Sneezels after me. And once those little fur balls are good and sick, we break into the castle and steal the Smighty Stones, the source of all their power! With a cherry on top.
1,2,704,500,001. Achoo!
Huh?
What is wrong? She's not getting sick. Maybe this thing's clogged. Stop that, Biggs! My lovely germs aren't working on her. What's the world coming to?
I wonder if I can surf all the snot everyone's snotting.
Must get up. I'm the leader, and leaders. Achoo! Tissues! I must have tissues! The soft, absorbent kind.
I itch.
Could you tuck me in?
Now a little more to the right. Like, can I have some soup with squackers in it?
Tomato-berry juice, please. Achoo! Too much more of this, and I'm going to have to check myself into a sickbed. Oh, no. I'm out of tissues. Tissues? Why is it always tissues? Oh, no. Sneevil and Biggs.
Ouch! Stop that!
Those two aren't selling Smighty Scout cookies. They're up to no good, and I have to do something about it. Halt in the name of the Smighties! You shall not pass! Zip! I must have tissues before it's too late! 1 second.
What are you waiting for? This door has to be easier to smash through than the floors of this place. I broke a nail the last time I tried to dig up for them.
I see you down there! Stop this instant before I...
Soup! Where's my soup?
Sorry, be right back. Okay, where were we?
You were getting us to leave, I believe.
Right, thanks.
Zip! My throat is sore and I need some tea.
Right. Carry on.
Now, get back to hammering.
All right, up you go. Time to be sick somewhere else.
Where are you taking us?
I'm going to kill 2 germs with 1 cough. Step away from the door and we won't be ill on you. I have some sick Smighties here, and I'm not afraid to use them.
What are you gonna do? Have them sneeze on me?
How about some Smighty noodle soup? Soup? This ought to hit the spot on their pointy little heads.
Hot, 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 hot!
Smighty noodle, my favorite.
Cough drop.
Cough drops? These should clear things up.
Strawberry, my favorite.
Tissues?
Incoming! Yes! Yuck. Snotty tissues. Not my favorite. If that's your worst, you've got nothing but empty tissue and a loud cough.
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? We can help.
But what can you do? You're still sick.
That's just it. Okay, everyone be sick.
Retreat! Retreat!
Glad to see you're better.
Don't forget to take it easy for a day. I'm glad that's over. I'm so tired. I could sleep for a whole achoo! Oh, now I'm sick. Here, let me help you lie down.
How about a pillow?
Soup?
I got some cough drops. Just relax, sis. We'll take good care of you.
Biggs, my soup, my tissues, my cough drops, my fuzzy slippers.
Coming, what? Whoa!
Hot, 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 hot.